Tech vlogs. All right, people, we got another one. I hope you're doing well out there, by the way.
Alright, guys, welcome to the new show, the Weekly Tech. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about the HomePod of Apple. Okay, it's coming out on the 9th of February. Okay, got two colors for now, space gray and white. You can see the price here if you're in England. Okay, take a quick look at it. Specification. That is pretty much their version of Alexa. Okay, so yeah, let's keep this thing moving. One big snag about this is the fact that, let's go for the overview. You know, if you do not have Apple products, okay, the speaker won't be compatible with anything else other than Apple products. So if you're not an iOS user or you don't have any Apple products, then there's no point of you buying this HomePod. Okay, don't even consider it or think about it. If you're a waste of money. They're trying to do what, you know, Amazon is doing, but as usual, with their own stuckness, you know, they're pretty stuck in the past, I think, what's concerning Apple. They're gonna have to change the method if they want to survive in the new era. Okay, so this is what the inside of the product looks like. I think you have like 7 speakers, if I'm correct. There's 7 speakers. Okay, Apple chip design and so on and so forth. Okay, so as I said, it's not compatible with anything other than their own products. Okay, you know, whilst I'm talking, just have your little read through. Check it out, check it out. Okay, your sound, how it covers, you know, the space that it will cover. You can see that. You know, it's nothing, you know, special, because it's already out there with Amazon and Google and other companies that are already doing it. So that's their little touch to combine with their products, you know. So if you're an Apple user or iOS user, then you're gonna be, you should be happy about that. But that it's pretty limited, as I said. Okay, it's called the HomePod. It's available from the 9/02, which is February. All right. So guys, make sure to like the video, subscribe if it's your first time out here. All right, share the video if it's any useful to you. Okay, talk among yourself, tell your mates and your mates about what we do out here. We love you all here, and we love your support. So this thing is pretty much similar to to Alexa. Got a couple of buttons, tactile, I think tactile buttons. The plus and the minus is gonna be somewhere here. You can press the middle to talk, just like you do on the Alexa. So yeah, this is the HomePod of Apple And yeah, let us know what you think about it right down below. Post all your comment right down below. And other than that, keep it safe, keep it late, and we shall surely see you on the next one. From the team on the weekly tech, we salute you all. Peace out. Let's do it, people.